Welcome to ISA 2018 here at the Canon booth. There's the OSE Colorado, which is a revolutionary new technology utilizing UV gel ink. UV gel ink is literally a gel that is heated up and then jetted onto the substrate and turning into a gel again. And it behaves like a gel. It does not run all over the place when you jet it. In fact, it has no dot gain. So that means there's no coalescence, the colors are very pure, and we're able to jet all the ink before we need to cure it. So as a result, we're able to print much faster because we've taken curing out of the equation. We actually cure the ink after it's all been printed. So we can attain print speeds of over 1,600 square feet per hour, which is unheard of in this market. If you're printing multiple rolls per month, 6 to 8, 10 rolls per month on a different technology, your ink savings alone could pay for the OSE Colorado. So it's a very compelling thing for print providers to think about. And also some cool features, 2-roll media drawer, mixed medias, so you don't have to reload the machine as frequently. Basically unattended operation, you can walk away while it's printing and have artifact-free images. Also on the booth, as previous years, we've got an OSE Arizona. Been a great product, award-winning products with over 50 industry awards. We have the 1280 GT this year, showing a bunch of different types of unique applications that are well suited for a stationary flatbed printer like the Arizona. Another interesting product is the Colex cutter that we have. We sell a range of cutters, including not just the Colex, but the OSE Pro Cut. But not everybody can necessarily afford a Pro Cut, but there's definitely a lot of people that are looking for an economical, high-value product like the Colex cutters. So some of the applications we're showing here are, for instance, digital wall coverings produced on the Arizona as well as the Colorado printers. We're also showing a bunch of higher-end POP, some really cool backlit images that change the messaging when the lights are on versus when the lights are off. So these are some of the really cool high-margin applications that print providers should be aware of because they can really drive profitability in a very competitive market. One thing about having all this equipment is having a vendor that can integrate it all together into your workflow, and really that's something that Canon brings to the table. So we have, obviously different printing technologies like the Arizona, we have the OSE Colorado, and then we have finishing. And to tie that together, we have software like Onyx RIP software. We have the ProCut Vision software for our vision system that can do automated shape-based nesting. So it really makes you way more effective and productive in your shop. You don't want to have to hire more people for every piece of equipment you add. You actually want to have the equipment basically reduce the amount of touches that you need in your shop. If we can automate things through like hot folders that are set up to process a file a certain way for a certain application, ways to finish those jobs using something like the OSE Autopilot for our ProCut system, which looks at the jobs that are being placed on the finishing table and calls up the right files and tooling to actually produce the finished piece. Like the Colorado, where you can walk away and leave it printing unattended and have perfect results because the machine is smart enough to turn off blocked nozzles before they actually fail. So things like that can really actually help you be more productive and a much lower cost.